So today I want to do a quick review of the Tenacious, and the reason for it is that this is actually my second Tenacious. The first Tenacious that I purchased was the G10 version, and I was just curious to have kind of a Spyderco that I could beat up a little bit and not feel so guilty given the really affordable price point. And I enjoyed the heft and the feel of the original Tenacious, but one of the things that I found with the G10 that I had was that the spider hole and the edges were incredibly sharp, and the overall fit and finish and flickability of the first Tenacious just wasn't quite the same. So I was pleased in receiving this one because this Tenacious lightweight really is completely different than the G10 version that I had. First and foremost, I don't know if you can see that, but it came perfectly centered. It has tremendous flickability, and as I said before, it doesn't have any of the rough or sharp edges here and here, because one of the things that really facilitated my return of the original Tenacious was every time that I would flick the knife open, I would have my fingernail completely chewed up by the sharp edge, and that is not the case with this particular model. A lot of flickability. It seems like they've really worked on the sharp edges. I don't have any sharp edges at all. Right here on the handle, there's no sharp edges here at all either, which is interesting because when we look at, for example, the Para 2 lightweight, or excuse me, Para 3 lightweight, there's a lot of sharp edges here. The fit and finish is nice, but on the lightweight handle, it's sharp, whereas with the Tenacious, it's really smooth. And so I'm really pleased that Spyderco in their Chinese plant is really doing the type of quality that we would expect from some of the other manufacturing facilities that they have. The only area that is a little bit rough, but it is a positive thing, is the scales. They're a little bit sharper, but I like that because it actually makes it really grippable. Whereas with the Para 3 lightweight, there's not really a lot of sharp edges, so it's very slippery. And so it looks like the Tenacious is actually a much better grippy handle and scale than before. So I'm really pleased with this. I love also the triple black, which I think is just a really cool color combination. But overall, very satisfied and happy with the seemingly upgrade of the Tenacious quality based on the G10 that I used to have as well.